Symbiosis School of Economics, Pune has received an overall rating of 4 out of 5 stars by students on Shiksha.com. How is the MSc program here? Let's find out in this detailed college review, starting right off with placements rated 3.8 stars. The 2024 placement drive saw top recruiters such as Zoho, Morgan Stanley and Vodafone visiting the campus, offering roles like teacher, data analyst and risk analyst. Student reviews suggest that the average package ranges between 6 to 7 lakh per annum. When it comes to internships, students in 2024 secured positions at companies like Aditya Birla Fashion, Grasim Industries, IIM Mumbai, Zeno Health and Bangladesh Export-Import Company. Internships are mandatory as part of the course. Moving on now to the academics, where SSE offers a 2-year MSc in economics, which is rated 4 stars. The first year focuses on core subjects like microeconomics, macroeconomics and econometrics, while the second year allows students to specialize in areas such as international trade, development studies, urban development, finance and data analytics. Admission is merit-based, requiring a minimum of 50% in graduation, and total academic fees for the 2 years is approximately 5.1 lakhs with scholarships available. Switching gears to the 4.1 star rated infrastructure. The campus is Wi-Fi enabled with modern classrooms, computer labs, a conference room and a well-stocked library. Students have access to hostel accommodations for both boys and girls with good quality mess food, though some have mentioned a shortage of hostel rooms. The campus also offers extensive sports facilities including tennis, futsal, basketball, football, volleyball, cricket and an indoor badminton hall. Turning our attention to the 4.2 rated faculty and course. Faculty members come from top institutes and have experience at foreign universities. They are highly appreciated by students. The MSc program offers an interdisciplinary curriculum that focuses on critical thinking and analytical skills. SSE also has collaborations with regional, national and international institutions including RIS New Delhi, NABARD Mumbai and Bengaluru and Avanta Foundation. Now on to the 4.1 rated campus life. SSE offers a vibrant environment with various student clubs and associations like Canvas, the Debating Society, Streetlights, Epilogue, MUN and Photography. Events such as the Cultural Fest Nivav, Economists of the Year, Annual Day and various workshops and seminars are organized throughout the academic year. Lastly, Symbiosis School of Economics, Pune is currently unranked by the NIRF 2024. For more details on Symbiosis School of Economics, Pune and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We'd like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.